what is up? Replacing this compressor and this water source heat pump. Somebody else has replaced this compressor before I worked here, so this must be a good 5 years old or so. At least the compressor lasted this long. But I was just noting the nice welding job on it. I'll get a picture of it. But that's all boogered up. Somebody did a leak repair here. It's pretty boogered up too. So, these two joints I'll be redoing when I replace the compressor. So we'll do a before and after what the welding looks like. You got the new compressor in. As you can see, the solder joints look factory. Probably better than factory, I think. Sometimes there's a suction one. That is clean. No booger snot all over those connections. On the expansion valve, I did have to make a new piece and get the light onto that. Had to make a little feeder adapter here because that piece always falls apart and try to unsweat it from the old expansion valve. So just a piece of copper adapter to fold flat over the feeder tubes. Other than that, everything feels good. Purged with nitrogen while welding, all the normal good stuff. So